In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use VPN on iPhone. Let's get started. If you want to hide your IP address, access blocked websites, improve privacy on public Wi-Fi, or change your virtual location, a VPN is the tool you need. First, you'll need to download the VPN app in your device. For that, head over to App Store, type in VPN and search for it. Now, different app options will appear. You can select the one with the good rating. I have selected this one, VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Download it. Once it has been downloaded, launch it. Now click on the option Accept and Continue. Now from here you can enable or disable notification. Now if you want to upgrade, you can click on Continue and go through the process, or you can click on the option Proceed with Ads. Now you are able to connect to any other country. Click on this icon given in the middle. Now allow VPN configuration on your iPhone. Tap Allow when your iPhone asks permission to add VPN settings. Then type in your passcode. Now click on the option Location. VPN asks for your consent to use your personal data too. Click on Consent. Now you are able to choose the location. Just click on any of the location that you want to be connected to. Once you see the option Connected, your iPhone will show a small VPN icon in the status bar. That means your internet traffic is now protected and routed through the VPN server. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.